In this video, I will show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. So if you actually want to send somebody's message or your own voice message to another person, what you can do is you can head over right here to your inbox. On your inbox, you can see in here this conversation with the person, and this person has actually sent a voice message. So let's head over and open this, and as you see, this is that voice message right here. Now, when you head over and then pull this, you can actually just react, reply, delete, or report. So there is actually no option right here to forward this particular voice message. What you can do instead is you can actually just head over to your control center and then just try to use the screen recorder from in there or any third-party screen recorder. And once it's been recording, head over and play this particular thing right here, and then once you're done recording that, you can head over and send this to persons that you want to share it into. So that's it about it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe to this as you what you want. Peace.